Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a DIY hair serum. For this we need coconut oil, aloe vera gel, rose water, glass bowl, spoon, almond oil, lavender or peppermint oil. Let's get started. In a clean bowl I am adding rose water. You can also add RO purified water. We are adding this because we want the shelf life of our product or our serum to be more. Next I am adding coconut oil. This will ensure that a serum has good consistency. You can add this more or less according to your hair type. If you have oily hair, you can add less. If you have dry hair, you can add it more. Next, I am adding aloe vera gel. You can add more of it if you want a more serumy consistency in your serum, like of Livon or other serums. Next, I am adding pure almond oil. You can skip it, or you can skip the coconut oil, or you can add these both. You can add any one of them or both of them also, it's up to you. Next I'm adding peppermint essential oil. You can also add lavender essential oil. The reason I'm using peppermint essential oil is that it has various properties which can help our hair to grow, prevent dandruff, remove lice, and also it provides a cooling effect on our scalp. I have a separate video on my channel which has 12 benefits of the peppermint essential oil. Once we complete the product, completely make the product, then we'll transfer it in a clean spray bottle, and we can use this product in our scalp, roots, tips, everywhere, in our lens. So I hope you like the video. Hit like to the video if you like it. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Thanks a lot for watching.